Hey, it's me, Hassa with WTI.
And I never thought I would be using nipple covers so much, but these ones from Nippies are my go-to. I absolutely love them. They're made of high quality silicone. They don't show whenever I'm wearing something that is see-through or white shirts, and that's why I chose these. And what stands out the most is how well they stick. There's no slipping, no sliding, and the lift they provide is amazing. It's a total game changer for those days when I don't want to bother with a bra, which is most of the time. And I also love that they're washable and reusable. So I just use this film to put them back in the box they come in. So no more see-through or straps from my bra showing. It gives me the support that I want. You can tell the difference from one side and the other. So that's why I'm so happy with my Nippies nipple cover. And yes, they give me the confidence that I need to wear strapless or backless outfits without worrying about anything showing.
And that's my point of view.